Pan-fried chicken with lemon. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 2. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Beat the chicken breasts lightly between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. Combine all the batter ingredients together in a medium-sized bowl and mix well. Add the flattened chicken and coat thoroughly. Step 2. Heat the wok until hot and add the oil. Fry the chicken pieces over a moderate heat until they are brown and crisp, about 2 minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels. Step 3. Drain the wok and wipe clean. Add the lemon sauce ingredients and simmer for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and arrange on a serving plate. Pour the sauce over the chicken and serve at once. Culture, countries, travel.